everyone, it's me again. I know you're gonna be so surprised because my clothes is the same and basically everything is the same. That's true because I've been filming this episode in one particular timetable. Now, I'm about to leave, but before I'm about to leave, this is quite relevant because I know there's a lot of parents out there that are working parents, whether you be a mom or a dad or brothers or sisters or a sibling or a mentor, that you kind of like want to spend a little bit of your time before you go, whether it could be 10 minutes or whatnot. Now, there is a way to do that so that your kids or your loved ones feels that they are they're able to spend time with you and they're not left alone, or mommy didn't just leave without saying goodbye to you guys. Now, I'm gonna read you 2 stories today, especially for the young learners. I always have a time, especially for my nieces. What I do with my nieces is I pick a story that's quite shorter and quite interactive for them. Now, in reading a story, it's very, very important that you do a little bit of actions. Now, I particularly have my own story song. My story song that I do with my nieces and nephews, I sing with them the Skidmarink song. Sometimes I do the Barney's I Love You. So let's start with, oh no, children, we're gonna go, you can just be fun and quirky. You can just be natural and be happy that you're gonna be able to kind of like spend time with your loved ones, okay? Now, this is what I do. I sing the skidamarinky dinky ding, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Skidamarinky dinky ding, skidamarinky doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. And skidamarinky dinky ding, skidamarinky doo. I love you. Now today, what I'm going to show you is we are going to read a story about their zoo. So you can do this story by showing different flashcards of different animals, or just simply ask them, what animals can we see in the zoo? Or have you ever been to the zoo tomorrow? Have you ever been to the zoo before? Not tomorrow. I'm thinking about the song. Okay, now let's start. Now, children or babies out there, I wrote a letter to the zoo to send me a pet. What are they going to send me? Oh, they sent me an... Wait, what's this? But this one, he was way too big, so I sent him back. What could it be? Ready? Whoop. Steady. Ta-da! What is it? It's an elephant. So always make those gestures and sounds. I love that. All right, the next one, they sent me a, but this one is very, very tall, so I sent it back. What could it be? It's a giraffe. He was way too tall. I didn't like him in my apartment. This one is rather fierce. What could it be? Ready, steady, ta-da! It's a lion. Can we have a lion in our house? No, thank you, because lion is a wild animal and they can be very, very dangerous, aren't they? This one is way too grumpy. What's that, children? What is that animal? It's a camel. Can we have a camel in the house? No, we cannot. This one is... Could this be my pet? But wait. What could it be? This one is rather scary. It's a snake. Can you have snake in your house? No, we cannot. Well, some do, but I particularly don't like reptiles in my house. All right. Now, children, could this be my pet? This one is rather naughty. What could it be? It's a monkey. Can we have a monkey in your house? No, we cannot. Now, could this be my pet, everyone? Now, this one is rather jumpy. Boink, 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 boink. It's very, very jumpy. What could it be? It's a frog. I'm getting really, really sad, children. Now, where is my pet? Now, this time, they thought very, very hard. And they sent me a... Ready? Can you say ready, steady, go? Ready, steady, go. Ta-da! They sent me a dog. He was perfect and I kept him. The end. See? Easy and fun for the young ones. Thank you so much for watching. And obviously, again, there's a lot of music out there that you can reinforce this. You can do... That is taking us to the zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow, zoo tomorrow. That's it. And the kids will love that and they're going to remember you that you spent time with them. Well, that's everybody. Hope you enjoyed it and thank you so much. Bye again and I have to go. Bye. Don't forget to like if you like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you want to know more about our channel and if you want to see something quite different, whether it could be writing or grammar, which we're going to do anyways in the near future. So don't forget to write down below in the comments and thank you so much for watching again. Bye everyone.